24 months. You want it? We got it. Everything's on sale at HH Craig for the July sale. HH Craig, price and advice guaranteed.
Businessman family. Rob Heschel standing up the principles of America's founding fathers. When President Obama was before national health care of people of good health, Rob Heschel passed a law that said no abortion is forced into a hospital. When big insurance companies put a deductible, Rob Heschel authored legislation ordering insurance to pay property or pay penalties. Tax Insurance Commissioner Rob Heschel